I'm so glad you liked the course in a PDF file that I've just added to the Simple Socks course. Let's see how you can use this file to learn the easiest way to knit top-down socks in any size with any yarn you have on hand. Once you download this file from the order confirmation or from the course dashboard, you don't need to go back to that dashboard ever again. Save this PDF on your device and follow the course materials right from that file whenever you are ready to move to the next step of your sock knitting journey, or start that journey if you've never ever knitted socks before. After a short introduction, you'll see the table of contents. It is best to follow the course materials in the same order they are listed in the file. But if you want to go to a specific section of the course, simply click the link in the table of contents and you'll get transferred to that section right away. No scrolling or straining your eyes. One click and you are exactly where you want to be. The same convenience is included inside all course materials. Whenever it is time to watch a video tutorial, click the title of that tutorial or simply click the screenshot and voila, the video is right there for you. When there is a reference to a part of the course materials that's located at a different page, click the page number and get instantly transferred to that page. This course in a PDF is full of those cross-referenced links to make your learning as easy and convenient as possible. And note, you do it all from one file that is saved on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. With this easy interactive type of learning, you will finish your first pair of socks in no time. And the only thing you will need to make your next pair is a ball of yarn. That's all. All the instructions you need are already safely saved to your device. That's how easy sock knitting can be. Go get your own copy of this course. The link is in the description.